close your mouth. Look at you. Chicky Baba.
We're not even don't play the thing.
Look at his face. No, we're not.
Michael, do you like this one the best?
Put that down for a foot. Of course not. But Daddy, what does PCS stand for? CS. It says it right there. Here, 22 PC. But he was always just sitting on one. It wasn't even you. It was your bomb.
That's it. Let me put
Can't even.
Yeah, I'm moving close to my chair.
Good. Nobody should cry, guys. That's all?
Yeah.
Good. This should be in the middle. Why are you guys moving it out?
Mommy, what do I say? Ola. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Olathreeboys. First of all, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Michael.
My name's David. I'm going to be doing some big toys.
And small toys. First of all, we'll start with the creative muscle. Yeah, I can't. If only I could read. Ooh.
And we're going to show you how to make some of the things.
Are we? Oh, I finally opened it. Wow, very.
Right now we're going to be making a flower.
Why would you say that? Now we actually have to try and make it. This.
Different colours of shapes and things. You have these screws.
Yeah, more screws. From the looks of it, I would say these are around like buttons. And different sizes from the looks of it.
So we like have these wenching things that are really useful wenching.
Okay, moving on. What do you want to unbox next? I'm going to show you how to use this and play with this in our next video. But first, let's go unbox all the other toys. Which one? Okay, so do set, knee set. This is what we use. So this is Play-Doh.
So the next video we're going to do this.
Oh, I want to open one real quick. Yeah, this is Play-Doh. So like you can make fishes and animals.
Yeah, you can make different stuff with the molders too.
So and the molders as well. So so the things that we have to choose from are seahorses, crabs, seahorses,
fishes,
ghost,
octopus,
dolphins, and fishes. So that's pretty much it. We'll show you how to. We'll go over this in our next video too. Painting your own Porthy tea set. Oh, wait.
I'm going to be making different kind of tea sets and different colours. I'm going to be using them.
In the next video. Oh, how does this open? Oh, this way. Be careful.
We have this plate. We have different kind of colours.
I'm how to draw one.
We have different kind of colours. Like these ones.
There's a paintbrush here.
And we have this big pot.
Well, I want to do one.
Things.
So, because I'm very curious and I like to paint, I'm going to do one.
And I'm going to help him.
So we're going to keep this for the next video.
Yeah.
Oh,
Now we're doing some
public garage. So, this is a toy set.
with Luger cars.
I wouldn't say loads of, but...
And petrol stations and washers. And tickets. Got these real cars. Look.
Nice real cars, right? Oh, there's lots more. We're not gonna unbox all of this yet, but we'll show you what we have. Yes, we have cards. He's just doing everything.
What? You think you have to run about something?
It's exactly the same as the previous boxes, so we're just gonna cover it up. So, our last and final Bro World. From the looks of this is like, if you look at the back, this is like Lego, but less painful if you've ever stepped on Lego. So we're going to open this.
Okay. And at the back, it feels like it's going to be like a whole fitting or something.
It looks like it's already been built in from looking at it from the inside. Oh wow, this is really cool.
First we have like this roundabout or something to this thing down here. No, these are has a top things.
I think this is petrol.
And we have a one. Has this top.
And that's all that's inside of this.
Yeah. This is what the ones look like. You put it over here and then it looks like down.
Oh, there's cars inside of here. Oh, is this a train? I'm pretty sure this is like when those cars are getting towed.
Yeah, the train right here. You go down here.
This isn't the train.
We got this elevator that go up and down.
Okay, so finally open this. Because it's magnets, it just tows, see?
Yeah,
So if you put the car over here, everything sticks together.
that's it.
Ooh.
Let's have a one.
This is really cool. Ooh. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. In our next video, we'll be showing you all these toys separately and how they work. But that's for another video.
And the train car go over here. In the next video, we're going to be doing all these toys and building them and play with them. But
Stop. Look at the camera, not look at the table. Okay, so it's okay.
in the next video, we're going to be playing with all these toys and building them. And if you like this, please subscribe to our channel and like the play button.
The play button.
I forgot.
Olathreeboys, bye.
Bye.